AI can make you a millionaire if you change how you think. Right now, it is easier than ever to use AI to take any ideas you have into reality. I'm using an absolutely incredible workflow that I built with Claude, and then I use ChatGPT every day to crank out thumbnails like this. I just filmed 15 shorts, or actually, I filmed 10 shorts in 15 minutes because AI could just crank the thumbnails out instantly. Because I can go back and forth with AI about my video ideas. And then I use Claude to dump all my shorts in a folder, and Claude just puts captions on all of them, gives me the YouTube titles and all the text for YouTube. So all I have to do is film, and I use AI to start it. I dump everything into Claude, and it just cranks out everything I need for YouTube. It is absolutely amazing how effective you can be with AI today. There are people who've made businesses selling drugs, like weight loss drugs, that they just use AI to crank a website out, use AI to crank the ads out, use AI to provide customer service. AI is extremely powerful, and you need to change your mindset to take advantage of it. For me personally, I was hesitant to start fooling around with Ubuntu and command lines on my computer. Like, man, I don't need to be in the command line. Oh, I'm afraid Claude's going to mess my computer up or something. But once I started thinking about what I have to gain, I went into Claude. I dropped $100 a month immediately for my Claude subscription for Claude Code. And I installed Ubuntu on my computer. I then literally just screenshotted everything when I didn't know what was happening in the command line interface. Claude must have thought I was pretty dumb sometimes. It's like, oh, this idiot human can't change a directory in Ubuntu. And I just pasted, and now I've learned, oh, I need to change directory. And I have AI workflows that are just God mode today that are on the way to helping me get tens, if not hundreds of millions of views online at jerrybanfield.com. I used AI to build out an entire website and landing page in hours, a long form sales page. I used AI to talk through my business model. And it after all the data, I just dump words out of my mouth, like same as my videos. I just dump words, and I use Claude, I use ChatGPT, and I use Gemini. I gave all of them the same input. And I said, here's everything I'm doing. Here's all my skills. Where am I missing the opportunity to monetize? And the AI programs all said, you need to have a community. That's where you should be monetizing. You should have a community. So then I research where's the best community. I see other YouTubers doing Skool, and I set that up. Then I use the AI. How should I brand my community? Here's what I want. Take into account human psychology. And the AI programs eventually agreed we should call it Jerry Banfield Family. I've now made $440 in the last few days just with 2 people joining. And I am set up to give them huge amounts of value in the community where they have direct access to direct message me, where you can have a one-on-one call with me for 30 minutes for the first members that join. I now am training AI on all of my videos, and I'm cranking out blog posts on my website automatically with my workflow that I use to also generate thumbnails from my videos. I don't generate anything outside. I use my human thumbnails, my human voice guides everything, and I use AI to speed all the administrative details up. Now when I film a video, I drop it in a folder, I get a thumbnail, I get the text, I get title ideas, I get all the tags. Then I get a blog post fully written using my exact voice on the subject I talked about. And then I am available to serve you inside my group to help you make money, find your skills, and go beyond what you can accomplish with AI. AI is helpful to kind of get the basics in an instant response, but at some point you need a real human being who is mentoring you. You need an example to really execute that. So where I can help you is the thinking. I have the out-of-the-box thinking and the willingness to blast past my own barriers to see some of these huge opportunities with AI today. But you're going to need to be able to think out of the box. You're going to need to be able to stop thinking in such a limited way and start being like, look, what do I need to do to print money? And the main way to think is, how do I solve people's problems? And if you can think like that, then you're going to make lots of money with AI. Join jerrybanfield.com and I'll help you.